Xhorse Bluetooth Digital Smart Key. Effortlessly enhance security, making your car smarter. Make your phone your car key. With it, say goodbye to physical keys. Your phone becomes your car key. With it, stay always informed about your vehicle status. Your phone is now your diagnostic assistant. Your smart driving journey starts now. In our previous video, we walked you through how to set up the Xhorse Bluetooth Digital Smart Key. Today, let's take a closer look at its amazing features and advantages. Keyless entry, touchless locking, auto unlock when approaching and lock when moving away. Once installed, your phone becomes a smart sensing key. Even when your phone's screen is off, it can still reliably detect your proximity to the car. Enable settings auto unlock lock. As you approach your vehicle, the car will automatically unlock and turn on preset air conditioning. As you walk away, it locks and raises the windows. If the auto lock unlock feature isn't working smoothly, you can calibrate the sensing position. Tap on the intelligent sensing position area to adjust the sensing position based on your actual distance from the vehicle. You can also enable or disable the unlock or lock feature individually based on your preferences. And there's an option for temporary close settings below. It is ideal for those who frequently stay near their car, preventing the vehicle from repeatedly unlocking and locking automatically. You can set a temporary deactivation time for this feature here and manage it directly from the home screen. Keyless start. The Xhorse Bluetooth Digital Smart Key also enables keyless start via Bluetooth, so you no longer need a physical key. Multifunctional remote control. The app allows you to unlock, lock, open the trunk, and so on, all from your phone. It's compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Diagnostics Assistant, offering real-time vehicle status. Once the OBD diagnostic program is written, you can check your car's real-time status and etc. easily from the app's main screen. Remote authorization for vehicle use. Enter share vehicle. You can remotely share key access. Set the authorized days and usage count. You'd like to authorize and generate an authorization code. Enter remark info and generate authorization code. Copy the code and send it to others. The recipient need to enter share get temporary vehicle. Paste the authorization code and enable authorization mode to gain temporary access to the car. No physical key needed. You can also view the history of shared access in share records. Advanced setting for easy customization. For further customization, go to Advanced Setting. Custom buttons allow customization of remote control buttons. And in learning mode, the device can learn the current phone. Follow the instructions to bind more phones. The device supports up to 12 phones. If you want to remove access to a previously paired phone, use change password to reset the Bluetooth connection password. This will prevent any device that hasn't verified the new password from controlling the car. Switching modes lets you choose between daily mode and maintenance mode. Maintenance mode can be used for vehicle maintenance and upkeep. After the mobile phone leaves the vehicle, the device is placed inside the car and the vehicle can start normally. You can also switch modes directly from the mode option on the home screen. Versatile styles available. In chain style, there are a variety of styles on the app for your choice. This can also be done easily from the home screen. Precise and stable Bluetooth control. Equipped with BLE 5.1 low-power Bluetooth, no network is required. Multiple security guarantees. Dual security authentication prevents eavesdropping or replay attacks. And if Bluetooth is unauthorized, the key won't work. Even if someone illegally enters the vehicle or removes the product, they won't be able to start the engine. No need to bury the original car key. Provide a brand new blank smart key that can replace the original car key. No need to bury the original car key. OBD Easy Installation. Simple installation. Just plug in. No need to disassemble, weld, bury, damage the original keys. It won't affect the use of your car's original key, and it supports over 90% keyless start function vehicle modification. Safe OBD power supply. The product is powered directly through the OBD port with no built-in battery, eliminating any risk of overheating or spontaneous combustion. That's the overview of the Xhorse Bluetooth Digital Smart Key. Let's quickly recap its features and advantages, so you can get ready for an easier and smarter driving experience. As always, thanks for being here. Don't miss what's coming next, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.